You know what up, so all good. Come see me, the Master Spratling, Melvin Jackson Jr., and Todd Burton of Half Mile Home at the It's All or Nothing Music Scene, October 8th, at Highland Square Movie Theater in Akron, Ohio. First show is at 4 p.m. for general admission. Second is at 6:30 p.m. for VIP. Will be food, meet, greet, cab, alcohol available, all that good stuff, man. See y'all there October 8th.
I was on text, had to tell my little bitch that I ain't coming back. Meanwhile, nigga touching paper, I'ma bend the act. First time you hit this wood, nigga, you gon' say it slap. Up this bitch and walk a nigga down, yeah, he getting fat. Made 10 off the trap, made 15 off the fraud. Every bank I got, swear to God, that bitch getting dog. I ain't passing shit, nigga, this my first time with the ball. I ain't giving niggas sauce, bitch, I guess it's all or nothing in this bitch. It's all or nothing in this shit. It's all or nothing in this bitch. Nigga, you ain't touching shit. It's all or nothing in this bitch. It's all or nothing with this shit. It's all or nothing in this bitch. Nigga, I'm taking that shit. Fuck the conversation, to get awkward if it ain't about pay. Hop on this bitch and shit talk, I speak hate on hate. Pack came in, I'm surprised and coming crate on crate. Up this long block and hit a nigga, gon' take off his face. I was trapping in, pulling scans. Nigga, I'm a buy hustler, told bro, I can't sell him no pack if it ain't 500. 9-year-old me, will I be rich? I'm like, damn, I wonder. Raining outside, this shit hard in the fucking thunder.
Jug rich nigga, tight tracks on the beat. It's father and son. It's about that. Tracks off the Easy family. Let's get it, nigga.
It's all or nothing in this bitch. It's all or nothing with this shit.
It's all or nothing in this bitch.
It's all or nothing in this
All or
bitch.
nothing, nigga.
Nigga, you ain't touching shit.
You ain't touching shit.
It's all or nothing in this
All or
bitch.
nothing in this bitch.
It's all or nothing with this
All or
shit.
nothing with this shit.
It's all or nothing in this
All or
bitch.
nothing in this bitch.
Nigga, I'm taking that shit.
Nigga, I'm taking that shit.
It's all or nothing in this bitch.
With this shit.
It's all or nothing with this shit.
In this bitch.
It's all or nothing in this bitch.
It's all or nothing,
Nigga, you ain't touching shit.
You ain't touching shit.
It's all or nothing in this bitch. It's all or nothing with this shit. It's all or nothing in this bitch.
Nigga,
Nigga, I'm taking that shit.
Jug rich nigga.
It's all or nothing.